Before we start with the real thing, I want to see your technique.
I already know how to fight with a stick.
Then this should be easy for you. That might work on a stormtrooper, but not me. And that's your head. Every mistake is a limb lost. The blade is never at rest.
Okay, let's go again.
No. You better practice with Ezra first.
All right.
Why?
Ezra, walk her through the forms.
Kanan.
Okay. Ready position. Sabine, ready position? Okay, great. Yeah, that's ready position. Now we go 1, 2... Slow down. All right, you're not gonna do this in one. That's it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I read you, Hera.
It's been a couple of days. I wanted to see how things are going.
Slowly. Ezra's still taking her through the basic forms with the training sabers.
Training sabers? You mean those sticks you and Zed made?
I'm being careful.
Were you careful with Ezra? I don't remember him fighting with a stick.
Well, maybe I'm trying to do things differently this time.
Or maybe because she doesn't have the Force, you don't believe she can do this?
No. The Force resides in all living things, but you have to be open to it. Sabine is blocked. Her mind is conflicted. She's so expressive and yet so tightly wound. She's so...
Mandalorian.
Ugh, very.
I'll be sending out supplies. Is there anything specific that you need?
Patience, understanding.
I'll see what I can do.
That's not gonna work.
Working so far.
I think you're doing well.
Opinion noted.
I've got your supplies. You overcommitted.
Oh, good. Anyone else have an opinion they want to share?
Let's take a break. Ezra, help unload these supplies.
What? I won. Shouldn't I get the break?